Every one of us needs to detox heavy metals. Our environment and tap water are full of them. In this video, we will show you how to make a smoothie to detoxify heavy metals from your body and your brain. Let's get started right now. Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist. I've been helping people with their health since 1999. I've also been a high raw vegan since 1994.
Hi, and I'm Joann. I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I have been uncooking since 2010.
We're here to help you enjoy more raw to restore energy and immunity. If you're excited about once and for all cleansing your body of toxic heavy metals, hit that like button now.
Now these are the ingredients for the detox smoothie, and I'll go over them one by one. Bananas, of course, are for potassium. See the link for this recipe in the description below. We have oranges for vitamin C, of course. The wild blueberries actually pull heavy metals from your brain tissue. Since they're high in antioxidants, they also repair any damage left behind from the heavy metal oxidation. Now you can use purified water or coconut water, but the coconut water gives additional nutrients. It has more potassium than 4 bananas. The spirulina pulls heavy metals from the brain as well, but also the liver and the central nervous system. The cilantro extracts metals from every nook and cranny. If you don't like the taste of cilantro, it may be an indication that the heavy metals in your system are corroding rapidly into your saliva and causing a soapy or harsh taste. Try smaller amounts at first if you have this reaction. Spinach is for extra iron, but it also provides additional nutrients and flavor. What is your favorite smoothie? Let us know in the comments below. You can drink this every day if you like. An optional thing would be to add dulse flakes, because it acts as a binder for all heavy metals, especially mercury. It reaches into the gut and digestive tract to bind to them until they leave the body. And look at that purpley deliciousness.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We upload healthy tips and recipes every week to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.